Shankwaila Yundong, Chugen Chao Sino Afro. Dajaha Wishi MOSSCKY Waliza Sino Afro. Today I'm gonna be teaching another dance tutorial for you guys so that you can have fun and stay blessed. Sino Afro loves you. Thanks you for the love and support. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first move goes as 1 boom, 2 boom, 3 boom, and 4 boom. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so from here we put in energy. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 4 and 1 and 4. So this one is three times. Okay, so after here we go to 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, so from here we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so from here we go to 1 down, 2 down, 3 and 4. Again, 1 down, 2 down, 3 and 4. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so from here we go to the chorus. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so from here we go and here down and here down. This is 4 times. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so from here we go to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So from here we go to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So from here we go back to the chorus, okay, which is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and freestyle. Okay? Okay, so those are the moves basically. So what I'm going to repeat is you know, from the beginning, this time adding in a little more speed. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and 4. 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and 4. Again, 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So from here we go to 1, boom, 2, boom, here and here. Again, 1, boom, 2, boom, here and here. Okay? So from this part we go to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then from this part we go to the chorus, okay, as you saw in the first tutorial. Here we do this thing 3 times, then from 3 times we do this one 4 times, just like you have seen in the first tutorial. Okay, so it goes on and on and on like that, as you see how the routine goes on. Okay, so thank you so much. That was our routine for today. Stay blessed. This is MOSSCKY, Sino Afro. Peace and love.